Hey friends, if you wish to fix the error code 0xc0000005 on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So the first solution is an SFC scan. But who says that? So I checked the solution on the Microsoft Answers forum, and when I scrolled down, 856 people confirmed that it helped. So it should be helpful. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator in the right pane to open the elevated command prompt window. In the elevated command prompt window, type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. The next solution is to run the Windows Memory Diagnostic tool. And how do we do this? So press the Windows key and the R button together to open the run window. Type the command mdsched and hit enter. Click on restart now and check for problems. And the last solution is to update all drivers. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side. Select advanced options, click on optional updates and install all the driver updates. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.